tired of your old traditional battery-operated spit motor sputtering and stalling? Introducing our new electrical spit motor. This baby can handle up to 35 kilograms of delicious, juicy meat. No more worries about your motor giving up mid-cook with dying batteries, or a motor that just doesn't want to continue working due to the weight of your delicious wonder piece. It features a robust 12.7mm stainless steel shaft, ensuring durability and reliability. And with a built-in cooling fan, it stays cool even during a long, epic spit. But that's not all. Our motor is packed with high-temperature grease on the gears, meaning it runs smoothly and efficiently no matter how high the heat. Plus, it comes with a uniquely designed bracket to mount onto any outdoor or built-in braai, making it super versatile and easy to use. After use of the spit motor, you can simply remove the motor from this bracket for safe storage. The motor fits in this bracket perfectly. These motors are compact, robust, reliable, and economical. Features includes 230 volt, rotating at 3 revolutions per minute, and uses only 0.47 amps. And most of all, heavy duty up to 35 kilograms. Order today, and we will include the following: heavy duty spit motor, a coupling to connect the motor to a 12mm rod, 3mm steel bracket for the motor itself, as well as a bracket for the other end of the spit to place the rod level and securely. Please note that we do not include the 12mm rod and spiky pins with the motor. You should source your own, as all braais differs in length and size. We do suggest 12mm stainless steel rods for optimum performance. Don't delay and contact us today. Upgrade your grilling game and say goodbye to weak spit motors. Grab yours now and become the spit braai hero you were always meant to be.